Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video we are going to talk about object oriented programming. From today actually we will learn object oriented programming. So far we have completed procedural programming. So let's say you want to work with a little function. Let's say you want to create a calculator, and you can actually make function and you can do it easily, and that's why actually it is called procedural programming. But let's say you want to do a big project. Let's say I want to say something about bike or car. I can individually say something about them. Those are actually little project. But let's say big project. Think about vehicle. Think about car, bike, truck, and every vehicle together. So that time actually you can understand that it is going to be a big project, right? For the big project we need object oriented programming. Why? And let's say you want to do a calculator, you can actually do procedural programming. But what about a company calculation process, whole company calculation process? That time actually you need object oriented programming. And there are some reason actually why we need object oriented programming. Here you can see some differences. Feature, here you can see focus on functions. So our procedural programming actually focus on function. As I mentioned earlier, that let's say you want to do some calculation about addition, multiplication, subtraction. So you can actually create different functions, and then actually you can access the function and do some calculation, right? But what about object oriented programming? So object oriented programming focused on object. Let's say I want to know about the car, and then I want to know about the car speed, let's say company name, car engine details, and everything. So if you think about procedural programming, you have to individually create a different function for them, right? For the, because they have different data type. Let's say you want to know the speed, so speed has different data type. You want to know the car name, so name has different data type, like a string, right? So that time actually you need different function. But when you think about an object can hold all the data types, all the behaviors and everything together. Okay, for the big project actually we need object oriented. So simple. If you need big project, go with object oriented programming. Here you can see some differences. If you need this, let me know in the comment section. For now actually I have mentioned that, okay, why we need procedural programming and why we need object oriented programming. I hope you understand. But if you have any problem, please let me know in the comment section so that I can make another video for you with some example. Okay, but for now actually I will assume that you will understand. Okay, because it's super easy, right? If you need simple project, you need procedural programming. If you need big project, you need object oriented programming, because you need to know about all the things at a time. So you need object oriented programming, right? So in our next video we will talk about class and everything, okay, related to object oriented programming. So thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.